Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some more Easter DIYs. I'm going to be doing 3 different types of Easter/spring wreaths, or any kind of, I don't know, I guess they don't really have to be wreaths, but they are wreaths to me. So I'm going to show you how I made these. First one I'm making is with this willow wreath. These aren't the best quality, but I like them anyways, and these flowers, but I'm only going to be using the little green leaves on them along with this Happy Easter sign. I'm going to be tearing this apart and just using the Happy Easter, those little carrots. I thought those were so cute, so that is what I'm going to be using for this wreath. And then once I tore everything apart, I'm just going to be taking these little green decor, little green floral, these little greens, and I'm just going to be hot gluing them all around this wreath. And once that's done, I'm just going to be hot gluing the Happy and the Easter carrots right on to this wreath. I did lay them down at first so I knew exactly where to hot glue. And that is it for this one. This was super simple and this only took about 5 minutes. So these are kind of like 5-minute DIYs. So when you really want to make one but you don't have a ton of time, or you just are really impatient, these are like perfect for you. And then I'm going to take this bunny head for the next wreath, and then this wreath form, and then I'm going to take some burlap, and I'm just going to be looping the burlap through the first hole and the second and the third. And with this, I didn't actually secure this to anything. I just made the loops really tight, so I kept squishing the loop. So every time, so you see my hand there the entire time, it's because I'm holding all the burlap so they don't all fall out. But once you have enough, everything just kind of holds together. So I just do the same thing. I just loop it through the first hole, the second, and the third, and then I kind of twist it just a little bit, and then I just keep repeating this. And this is the easiest wreath to do. I don't even know what this is called off the top of my head, but I absolutely love doing these, and this took me under 10 minutes to do as well, and I love how these turn out. And if you're wondering, I did get this burlap from Burlap Fabric. You can always get burlap from the Dollar Tree, but I love the quality of their burlap there. It's so much thicker and really easy to work with. So I'm just going to take that bunny head and hot glue it, and then I took some of these twine carrots I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be gluing them to the side, and that is it for this wreath. I didn't take the twine off the bunny head because I didn't know what to do with the holes, but I kind of just liked it there anyways, and I don't think it really looks that bad still attached. But this was so simple and super easy to do and very cost efficient.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind.
And last but not least, I'm just going to be taking this little egg decor piece and some twine. And here I go again, being all patient with myself, and I took the twine and I wrapped it all around the egg. I did cut it for a little while and then I started repeating it, but I just felt like it was just taking too long regardless, and I didn't want to have to keep hot gluing it, so I just ended up taking the whole roll in like halfway through and just wrapping it all around. Like I said, this did take a while, but it's such a reward in the end, so I thought it was definitely worth it.
The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You.
Once that was done, I did take this bunny sign and just rip this little bunny right off. I've seen a lot of people do these, and I was like, I could do that too. So I did, and I took that bunny right off, and I left it the way it was because I thought it was really cute with a little bit of glitter and white and a little burlap bow. And then I took some of these wooden letters I also picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just found the letters spring, and I did grab a couple of these packs just in case all the letters weren't there, but they were, so I was really excited about that. But yeah, so I just painted them with white chalk paint by Waverly, and then I just glued the bunny and glued spring to the other side. I did think this was a little plain, and my twine was a little messed up on the top, so I did take some burlap and just made a bow, and I just tied it like I was tying my shoe. I actually learned that from Sarah Jane from Cheek on the Cheap. She just ties her bows just like this, and they look beautiful, and she says that you just need to fluff them, so I fluffed it, and I thought it looked really good. Alright, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. And if you guys do recreate any of these, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I am able to check those out. Alright, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.